What's something people don't know about why some people never feel satisfied? It isn't always selfishness. Oftentimes it's a mix of brain wiring, automatic reward patterns in your brain, goals, vague targets that never feel finished or enough, upbringing, taught to chase instead of celebrate wins. Let's break it down fast. Reason 1, dopamine chasing. Our brains reward novelty. We quickly adapt and want the next hit. Reason 2, goal misalignment. Vague or endless goals. They make you feel like you're always behind. Reason 3, scarcity mindset. Always fearing there's not enough. Believing never enough trains you to ignore wins. Quick fix. Try 3 fast habits you can do daily. Celebrate tiny wins daily. Even the small stuff matters. Set clear, measurable goals so you know when you win. Practice 5 seconds of gratitude each day. Change isn't instant, but small habits rewire satisfaction. Follow for more quick psychology hacks and tips.